Billions out there, bro. And if you find a woman and her pum pum so good, you know, say a whole heap of woman out there with pum pum better. If you find a woman...
Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up on yourself, you know, my people. Big up on yourself. You don't know, so the attacking boss there, man, the one and only NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. My people never fail. They are in live and living colors, my people, and I attack them same way, you never change. You understand? Attack. So you don't know, so from them character time that we upload some character videos. Them not see the attacking boss. A few people ask us, say, NEWLINK, go on where you there. You see me? We not gone no man, we there. No, say all heap of traveling and thing. You see me? But what me there to talk about now, my people? Boy, Nene, R.I.P. in a girl. R.I.P. Nene. Shade Simit. Nene, nickname what them call you. R.I.P. girl. Rest in peace. You see it? Sad story, you know, my people. Feel it for the girl. She just 23 years old. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So, the thinking sin thing now. Who take out Nene life now, my people? What them say the sin thing name? Kerie, Jerry. What him name? I came name start with, you know. So, the thinking sin thing managed to take out Nene 3 points of people. All because him say Nene a move on with her life. You see me? So because now Nene say she finished, she can't manage him no more because the boy very aggressive. The boy a gear bun, and when she talk, a badness the boy want use pan her. Zin? So she want leave him. She tell him, so look here. That is it. Me done. I want move on with my life. Me no want in this thing no more. Me young, me at 23 years old. Me have a bright future ahead of me, and for this it no make sense. For some reason, thinking Kerie, rare name, saying himself, so you know what? Me not let you go, you not go nowhere. If me, myself can't have you, nobody else can have you. That is what the boy, you know, tell the girl, right? So, after everything, my people, because mommy talking, mommy, my condolences, mommy. You understand, Nene, mommy, my condolences. Big man thing, I feel it for you, mommy. Because your Nene, as though you talk, say, mommy, every day you not talk every day. And mommy talk, say, she and Nene was having a conversation close up to her death, and it's like 20 plus minutes after she and Nene talk. She receive a call from the boy, and when she hear the boy on the phone, the boy tell her over the phone, say him just put one in her head, my people, pie. You understand that how the boy confess and tell the mommy. My people, a lot of people are say, yo, how this story go between how them involve and go in a relationship. But based on what mommy is saying, because you don't know mommy make her speech and her talk, mommy saying them go school together for real, because Nene popular in our community in our Old Harbour and in our St. Catherine. That's why you see a lot of people who know her from school days. Them are mourn for her and them are talk about her and them thing. Them are people because them love her, you see it. So, a lot of people over there, them are show them condolences and thing, and them sad about the whole situation. See? So, it is like this now. When them stay a boom, right? And them a say, back over in a 2022, my people. See it, because I show you them go school together, like you see them high school, you know, that surrounding here there in a St. Catherine. So, after school days and thing, and I like say they were, no, high school relationship pertaining to boyfriend, girlfriend in a high school. No, they wasn't in that part of thing. Them never in that. See me? Them know each other. So them say back in 2022, my people, because Nene migrated and go over in the States. She work at a restaurant prior to the time of her passing and things, sadly. You see me? I don't know what the dog shit, the junker did that do. You know what I mean? The canker, the thinking, rotten sin thing. I don't know what it did that do. Over there, what kind of job it did that do. Zine? But Nene was working in a restaurant at the time, sadly, of her passing. Zine? So them said in 2022 now, Stacey Boom, Nene and him buck up. You know, like them buck up and then I say, what? Nene, are you this? What? And he say, yo, Kerie, where your name? You know, a long time and thing, such and such. And then from this and all my people, them say, then comes a boom. And them, you get me, I say, involve and go in at them. Really, you know what I mean? And them start talk and then go on a few dates until them comes a boom, my people. End up start a relationship. But when mommy I say, no, couple months come done, wind down to the thing, my people. Then I tell us, you know, so things now go good between me and him. You know, work out. There is a lot of mishaps in the thing and things not good. You see me? But you know, see, as a mommy, she know the youth good. You see me? Because the youth make a promise to mommy, you know. Zeno and the youth, when mommy I say the youth promise her, say, look here, me responsible for Nene, me I go take care of her for you. You understand? Me have her and you know what I mean? Me I protect her. So mommy, look up to him because mommy rate him and mommy I say, you know what I mean? You know what mommy believe in him. And for mommy receive a call from this same thing. And say, yo, you know what I say? You see me? People, it's sad. Really and truly, my people. See? Remember, you know, this boy I do the girl a lot of things, my people. You know what I mean? Put on pan the girl before be a when me here. Put on pan her already, you know, my people. Burn her and she find out, you know, my people over there. You know, because one of them boy who feel say, you might this and that, my people. You get what me I say? And when she decided, say, look here, my done, I want to move on. You know what I mean? You go your ways. Why in himself? Him could go to who he might involved with, or, you know what I mean, or just let the girl be. Why just could he let the girl be, like, or try find means and ways to stop the type of nasty life where I live. You know what I mean? Say, looking at yourself, be a better man and make she see the improvement. If she need to separate herself or whatever. Or if you find out, say, the girl come in and say she talk to somebody else at the time because you're not dealing with her right and she find somebody to talk to maybe as a friend or what. Or you get jealous or something. You know what I mean? Why in yourself you could try to prove or really be? And for the mistake them we make our way do. Because a lot of woman youth put your hand upon them, ain't no mistake, bro. Them not go give you a second chance in them life. But you in yourself, why you could pre that type of levels there to make a difference? If you sure see a wicked sin thing youth, you're wicked and you're cruel youth. Because you have a heart. If you stay a boom and put one in her head, bro. And then you stay a boom, you take up the phone. And you call the mommy, bro. And give your mommy her news like that, mommy. Me just take out your daughter 3 points and put one in her head. Honestly. The daughter where mommy loves so much, a daughter where she have a bond with. She depend on the phone as she has said she just come off of the phone 20 plus minutes, not even 30 yet. And it's a call she receive. Honestly. This is not the first time them things here happen with Jamaican over foreign, my people. I don't know what wrong with these type of people out. Brother, look how much you're the America. Look how much woman the America. Honestly, I talk these things over and over and I feel now here when I talk so. If you spend $1 million or $1 billion upon her, you feeling yourself so you're going to lose all of that what you spend, bro. You did them on sorry, you did that ram it out and jam it out and I taught them things already. So you know, feel so you did that enjoy it at the time. And why now yourself now you have to feel like say you want. No, me can't understand them Gia. Me can't understand them mentality of them same thing of my people. And then stay so boom. Take out the them thing are sickening. Now, the mommy says she need even have a visa in my people. You see me? Where she can't come so boom and go, You know what I mean? Go see her daughter and thing, but she said she go try to get a visa to go up there, which me know so them can do things, you know what I mean, a record, good record straight and everything, she can get certain type of thing where she even can go. You remember when Trooper they get that thing when they go for in daughter with the same thing they take out over the same way. You honestly, my people, let them look at youths, I mean, I know what kind of meds them are well, bro. Because we understand and fall on ourselves sometime in some type of, and I love them thing there, bro. Because if I did love them thing, they think so that take out the female them 3 points like that. All because you can get this easy access in America with them pipe-piting ya. You go use it, bro. Why you not make a difference now in a life, bro? Look into yourself, bro. You don't make a devil just take over on a mentality and telling us this and that. When you out there and do your thing, you burn the catty. Put your hand on the catty. And if she decides that she a go gear back, which me nah say, cause me never get no news say nene game bun. Is it? But if she does say, decides that she a gear back bun or she a move on, why you not let her be? Because if you ain't go do what you do, you know. You understand? If you was in true love and real love with Nene, you know, say things that good and great with you and Nene. You not love Nene, bro. You never love Nene. Because if you did love Nene, bro, you would never take the piece and put to her head like that. You see me? Youths and brethrens out there on the need for wise up, bro. You see, we as man, bro, are hundreds of millions of man out there. But you see, woman, are billions out there, bro. And if you find a woman and her pum pum so good, you know, say a whole heap of woman out there with pum pum better. If you find a woman out there who can give you the best loving, you know, say a whole heap of woman out there can give you. But you see a good woman, like real natural good woman with the mentality, personality and them thing there, bro. We know so we have to dig deep to find them, you know, because yo, honestly, me not this no man, but a whole heap of woman out there when have this type of real woman and loving ways. Lot of them just stay with man for things, you understand? But as when me say my people, this same thing are wicked and cruel. You know what I mean? Me not understand it. Yo, no man part earth, we no own no woman, you know? We no own no woman, bro. So if we deal with that woman, you know, just enjoy the moment, enjoy the time. If it last, if it no work out. But you know, why we have to say, yo, we are going to take out them? Bro, you see, in people, honestly, this is the same thing, yeah? Me a pray say I want to state it there over there, you know? You see me? Where them a go stay so boom, you know? And give him all that sitting there, you see that thing there where them call the ejection or the whatever they get, them all get my people, the electric or whatever, the chair or whatever, them and get over there, you know. Them a same thing you deserve no liberty. You see me? You not deserve no liberty, my people. Because number one, it do something like this, my people. Him lose Nene. She gone. Got prison now. No more plunton for him. No more punny for you. You see, you got no more punny boy. No more punny you now get. Your days are pum pum done. You see, you in that cell there, so right now you have to go start with a wig on your head and wear panty. You see me? And when them boy bust you up, a pad you have to go wearing that. You know what I mean? So you better make ensure you have your stay free, your carefree and then same thing then because them are going to bust you up now and bust you up now. You understand? You got to turn them boy in a prison pitch now. You see me? Because of what? You take out Nene life for what? For sure say, party man mentality you have long time. Because if you did have a real man mentality, you'd look in yourself and say, boy, I got a prison, you know. You know I go on there. Me not go turn no boy picture and them thing there. But for sure, say you prepare for it. You plan for it, so they say you go on where you go on. You plan for going there, go eat a lot of banana in there. You know, you understand, and drink a lot of cucumber juice in there. That you plan for go do. You know, see this, you attack for your same thing. Straight attack for you. No joke about it, man. My people, Jaja sees, Jaja knows, man. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. When I saw the thing yesterday, my people, I look on it, you know. I say, boy, I read the story, I say, no, sir. Look on a nice girl, man. Nice catty, and them say, yo, the whole part over there where she from, you know. All over in a send catching them and moan for her, them can't believe. And when I go up on the media, I see much people are show them love and them condolences to her. Only just sees and he knows, man. My people out there, females, stay strong and stay safe, you know. Listen, stay safe, stay strong out there. I remember believing in the Almighty and putting a faith on a trust in Him. And for the eyes and the virgins, them out there, look at you out. When you hold some firm meds and some firm mentality, you understand? Don't get chopped and caught up in the devil thing. You know what I mean? Because youth, don't get distracted. Stay up on the safe road because, yo, only just season he knows, man. But people big up on yourself, you know. And more love, more respect, and more blessings. And just thank you for the love, for the support, for the like, the share, and for the comment, my people. You don't know, say, I want team, I want dream, I want scheme, my people. As I tell you, say, the attacking bosses here, my people. We're not gone away. We still attack them. We still attack them, my people. Peace out. Blessings. Big up. R.I.P. Nene. And to the family and friends, classmates, and everybody who go school with Nene, everybody who are mourn the passing, my condolences. You understand? And we need the prayers of the attacking boss. Stay safe out there. Peace out. Blessings. Big up. Judges.